Hi viewer, today I want to show you how to take pictures with timer on iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's have a look. First, open camera app. Tap up arrow mark on top. Now tap timer icon. By default, timer off. You can use 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Select one of them and tap shutter button. That's it. These are the steps to take pictures with timer on iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you want to turn off timer, tap timer button, then tap off. To hide timer section, tap down arrow from top. That's it. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.